Hello YouTubers, Hammy Technoid here, and here we are again with the Pioneer CT-F1250. And as you recall in my previous video about this machine, it had a motor problem, and I was on track to repair the motor, and I had to get the motor disassembled. And there's the motor right there. You see it's lying there. I cut the wires to remove it from the machine. That's what I did in the last video. But yeah, those little pinch points proved to be quite formidable in holding that back plate on. So I had to take it to the next level. And if you can see there, you might see what happened. The metal I ground away. I ground it away with my, let me get this here. Oh, hold on, camera. With my Dremel tool. Yeah, this nice little Dremel tool I got here. That little stone at the end, the unit of destruction, I should say, that took care of the little pinch points. And you can see, now that the pinch points are out, the motor separates from its housing. And now it still has a motor inside a motor. It's like an inception motor. So yeah, what I've got to do is take the little pinch points on this guy, and you can see it's got some pinch points, and those might be easier to handle. Maybe I can get a pair of pliers on those, but I know I could probably definitely pound them out. I don't think I'll have to grind those away. But yeah, this is where I'm at, and when I get this apart, I suspect I'm going to have a bunch of particles, carbon particles, some kind of debris and dirt is going to be inside this thing. So yeah, that's the next step, and I just wanted to give a little update on this. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to take this apart off camera. Well, this little guy turned out to be a little more formidable match. I couldn't pound out the little tabs, so yeah, I had to go with the Dremel tool, and you can see where the grooves are, where the Dremel tool just wore away the bits of the case where I could pull out the internals. And there's the internals right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the contacts, the commutator, with some cleaning spray. All right, something similar to a deoxit. And just to show, I was expecting a little more dirt on the from the motor, but all these little black specks there, you see those black specks that are on this plate? Yeah, those came from inside the motor. All that was inside the motor. So my guessing was the reason this motor failed to produce the torque that it needed, it was fighting against these little particles of resistance. So yeah, that's where we are right now, and I'm going to carry on with this repair, and we'll be seeing you next time. So until then, see you later.